Hey, my name is Miley Yamamoto and welcome to another episode of TechKnow. Now today we're going to be reviewing two different mices. We're going to be reviewing the Razer Taipa and also the Razer Naga. But first, the app pick of the week. Now for the app pick of the week, I've picked Number Guru. Now how many of you guys have gotten phone calls from numbers that you don't really know? Well, now you can actually go into Number Guru and put in the number, and then what happens is that it looks it up. It looks up what company owns the number, and it'll tell you what other people think of the number. So if they think it's a spam number, or it's a telecommunication thing, or even maybe a political thing. So you can find out without having to call them back. Now you can get Number Guru. It's free at the App Store for iPhone, so be sure to get it if you want to find out who's calling you and if it's worthy of a phone call back. So go get it. I use it all the time. All right, so our little review of the week today is for our mice. You gotta let me know how I'm supposed to say that correctly. All right, so the first one's gonna be the Razer Taipa, which is a ambidextrous gaming mouse. So it's kind of cool. No matter if you're left-handed or right-handed, they've gotten buttons on both sides, as you can see. It's really cool. And, you know, it's a typical mouse. Once again, it's Razer, so they've got cool, you know, green lit up mice. And the other thing that I don't like, though, is that it's not wireless again, so you're kind of tethered to your desk. I guess you should be if you're playing a game on a computer. All right, like I said, the Razer Taipa is pretty cool. It's got 8200 DPI, 4G dual sensor system on its kind of cool self. It's got 9 hyperactive button type things that you can, you know, program. So you and your programmable mouses just go crazy with it. So I'm gonna move on to the next one, which is our Razer Naga. Now, some of you guys might remember I did review another Razer Naga mouse. This one's actually the Expert MMO gaming mouse. Is very cool. What's cool about it actually is that it's one of those mouses that you can actually change the size of. So you can put these little thingies, so you can make, this one's the biggest piece obviously, you can make it a little bit smaller if you have a smaller hand, so it's kind of cool. The one thing that is always interesting to me about these kind of programmable mice is that they have these buttons on the side so that you can press them with your thumb. I can barely press one with my one little tiny thumb. So I'm just imagining bigger guys who are gamers who want to try to use these programmable mices. I mean, there's, what, 12 ways to make a mistake while playing a game. So I'm not quite sure if this is something that's really cool. Maybe if you're very, very good at just pinpointing what number you want to hit, it'd be good. But other than that, I'm not quite sure if they're even necessary. Once again, there is a wire. Hate wires. That's all I'm gonna say about wires. Now, once again, the Razer, pretty cool when it's lit up, so if you like that kind of stuff, be sure to check it out. All right, so both the Razer Taipa and the Razer Naga go for about $80 retail. I'm sure you can find it cheaper elsewhere if you do a little bit of searching online. So be sure to check out our two mices when you can, and also our app pick of the week, which was Number Guru. It might come in handy one day. Thanks for watching. My name is Miley once again, and that's all the tech you need to know.